Hi there! Welcome to your 20-minute beginner-friendly yoga class. If you have a blanket and blocks, place them nearby. And go ahead and find your seat with your legs crossed in front. If you have tight hips, place the blanket underneath your sitting bones. So that might make you feel a little bit more comfortable in this pose. Find your spine nice and tall, yet relaxed. And place your hands onto your knees. If you wanna feel grounded, turn your palms facing down. But if you feel more uplifted, turn your palms facing up. That is your choice. Listening to your own body's need. And close your eyes. And start to scan your full body from top to bottom without judgment or any kind of criticism. And feel it as it is. And now scan your breath and listening to all those beautiful inhales and sweet exhales, entering and leaving your physical body. And place your hands at your heart center. Open your eyes. Big breath in. Reach your arms up overhead. Exhale, hands to your heart to your prayer. Inhale. Reach your arms up overhead, palms touch. Exhale, twist your torso to your right. Plant your left hand onto your right knee or thigh, and right hand behind your back. Deep breath in, lengthen the spine a little bit more. And exhale, twist a little bit deeper, starting from your core and chest and your head. If you have any neck discomfort, you don't have to turn your head. And breathe. And then arms up overhead, back through center, facing forward. Exhale, twist to the other side. Right hand onto your left knee or thigh. And left hand behind your back. Inhale to lengthen. And exhale to twist a little bit deeper, if that's okay to your body. And soften the gaze as you breathe. Inhale, arms up overhead, facing forward, back to center. Exhale, hands to your heart. And place your palms in front on the mat. And gently fold over and your mount. And stay there for several rounds of breath. And make sure your sitting bones are still grounded to the earth, so you don't necessarily go far down to the earth. Listen to your body and stay there where your sitting bones are still connected to the earth. And if you can, come on down onto your forearms, palms on the ground, or palms together to your prayer. Find your own destiny. Everybody's destiny can be different. So listen to your own body and honor your body's message. And then curl your torso all the way back up. And now make your way to your hands and knees, stacking your hands underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips. And open your fingers nice and wide. If you feel your wrist a little tight, you can turn your fingertips outward a little bit, like 45-degree angle. And now we're going to take some cats and cows, warming up our spine. So huge breath in, drop the belly, and lift your gaze up and your mount. And lift your sitting bones up, arching your back. As you exhale, start to tuck your tailbone down, round through the spine. As you bring your chin towards your chest, press your hands to the earth as much as you can to make your upper body super rounded. Deep breath in, drop the belly, and lift your gaze any amount. Exhale, tuck your tailbone down, chin to chest, round through the spine, creating lots of space in your back body. Inhale to cow, creating space across your chest. Exhale to your lovely cat. Keep pressing your hands down to the earth and keep on going at your own pace. Don't forget to breathe. Do not hold your breath. And come back to your neutral tabletop pose. And sink your hips down onto your heels. Rest your forehead on the ground. And arms down by your side with your palms facing up. Child's pose. Soften your face. And feel that beautiful belly movement to your thighs. Engage your core as you inhale. Lift your hips up, arms up overhead. Exhale, fold over to the earth, palms down to the earth, forehead on the ground. And then inhale, run forward to find your cow, arching your back and your mount. Exhale, find your cat, and then back to child's pose with your arms down by your side, palms facing up. Inhale, engage your core to lift your hips up, arms up overhead. Exhale, fold over to the earth, palms down, forehead down to the earth. And inhale, find your cow. Exhale, round through your upper back. Sit back onto your heels to your child's pose. Arms down by your side, palms facing up. Inhale to rise up, hips up, arms up. Exhale, fold over to the earth, palms down, forehead down. Inhale to your cow. Exhale to your cat, and then child's pose. Arms down by your side with your palms facing up. And stay there for a couple of breaths. And bring your hands to the front of your mat. Press yourself up to your tabletop pose. Hands underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips with hip width distance apart. Open your fingers nice and wide. Your hands are a shoulder distance apart. And tuck your toes under. And lift your hips up and back to your first down dog. And start to pedal out your feet. Bend one knee and then the other. And then keep on going while you are resting your head between your upper arms. And come back to the neutral down dog. Bend your knees as much as you need. So make sure do not round your upper back just like this in the video. So in this down dog, find a straight line from the crown of your head to your tailbone. In order to do that, you might have to bend your knees as much as you need if you have tight hamstrings. So find your own option. You don't have to bring your heels all the way down to the earth. Yoga is not about mastering the pose. Yoga is about listening to your own body and find the right, honest answer. And release your knees back down to your tabletop pose. Good job. And then release your hips onto your heels. And take your feet to one side and come to the center of your mat. Extend your legs to the front of your mat, hands behind your back, and start to shake out your legs several times. Wiggle them out. And come back to center. And bring the soles of your feet together in front. And open your knees out wide naturally. If you have tight hips, place the blocks underneath your knees for support. Hands onto your shins. Deep breath in, lengthen the spine. And exhale, fold over and your mount. And place your elbows inside of your legs. And stay there for several rounds of breath with love and patience. And make sure your sitting bones are still grounded to the earth. And also, if you can, maybe come down onto your forearms, wrapping the front of your feet with your hands. Find your own option, listening to your own body. Butterfly pose. And then slowly curl your torso all the way back up. And draw your knees together. Extend your legs to the front of your mat. And if you feel any discomfort in this pose, sitting tall, place the folded blanket underneath your sitting bones. Spine nice and tall, yet relaxed. Flex your toes towards the sky. Deep breath in, arms up overhead. As you exhale, fold over, hinging from your hips. Leading with your chest, so you are maintaining that long spine. Your hands can be onto your thighs at first. And then you feel your hamstrings a little bit loosened up. You can move your hands onto your shins. And then to the ankles maybe, or not, doesn't matter. Yoga is about listening to your body and find the right answer. Yoga is not about fight or competition. And feel free to bend your knees as much as you need if your hamstrings are yelling at you right now. And then slowly curl your torso all the way back up. And now place your hands behind your back. Bend your knees. Plant your feet as wide as your mat. Taking some windshield wipers with our legs. So drop both knees to one side and back through center, and then to the other side. Find this movement several more times at your own pace and rhythm. Feeling your hips, lower back, releasing the tension in those areas. Back to center, extend your legs, and then wiggle them out several times, however you want to. You can tap the big toes and mounds together. And come back to center. Find your seat with your legs crossed in front. Huge breath in, lift your arms up overhead. Exhale, hands to your heart, to your prayer. And place your hands onto your knees. Find some shoulder rolls. Inhale, shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale, roll them back and down. Several more times at your own pace. Your chest is opening, and feel your shoulders and upper back also opening up. And interlace your fingers and start to find some wrist rolls, giving them your love and attention. And shake out your arms and hands several times. Back to center. Deep breath in, arms up overhead. Exhale, hands to your heart. And close your eyes. And start to scan your body and your mind and your breath. And give lots of love and credits to yourself for showing up on your mat. And I thank you so much for practicing yoga with me today, and I hope to see you soon again in the next video. I hope you have a wonderful and peaceful rest of your day. Namaste.